So today I'm going to be using this Hydro bottle. Now this has actually got foam in it. This is their brand and the dilution is exactly the same as what they said. But you can go weak or high, depends on how foamy you want it. And with this bottle, all you need to do is pump it up and down like this. And that's it. And then that will actually foam out nicely, allegedly. But I will have concerns with this. This is the old type bottle. I've always had concerns, to be honest. Very plasticky. Look, this is all plastic, cheap and tacky. Now, I always reckon if this is crappy, what do you think about the company itself? It normally means it's crappy as well, doesn't it? So looking at this design here, pretty awful. Plasticky, not really look as though it's going to be up to the job. Now I've bought cheaper products than this and I've got something better. But needless to say, the amount of use I use it, very rare to be honest. It's okay. Personally, I wouldn't recommend the company because of this type of product. Now I believe they have got a new version of this out now, and on the top here it's metal. And they claim that it's got copper and all in it and a copper end. Well, you're going to pay more for it. Basically, it's the same bottle, manufactured by the same people, and it's, once again, still plastic at the end of the day. And you can pump our bottle up. So with a bit of luck, this should foam up. So let's have a go. It's okay. It's not foamy, but it doesn't matter. Once again, just keep pumping it up. Down there. So all we do is let them draw for a few minutes. In fact, you don't have to do really much to this product. It is what it is. It is a foam. Okay, you don't need to put anything else down on it. This product is just good enough as it comes, because I believe this product's strong enough. It's already got some product in it, so it's already got like a pre-wash into it. The makers say it hasn't, but I believe it has. Start at the top and work down.
The Works Hydro Shot 56 bar is an excellent portable pressure washer for cleaning your e-bike for several reasons. At just a few kilograms, the Hydro Shot is easy to carry and maneuver, making it ideal for reaching all parts of your e-bike. You can clean your bike wherever you are, whether at home, the trailhead, or the roadside. The Eco Mode is particularly useful because it helps conserve water and extends battery life. This is perfect for smaller cleaning tasks like washing an e-bike where you don't need a high pressure blast, but gentle enough to avoid damaging sensitive components like electronic systems, gears, or paint. The Hydro Shot can draw water from a hose or any other water source like a bucket, river, or bottle. This makes it incredibly versatile. This versatility is ideal for cleaning an e-bike as different components require different pressure levels. Being cordless and powered by a rechargeable battery, it eliminates the need for a power outlet, giving you the freedom to clean anywhere.
Now, because our chain has got oil on it, you don't really want to get anything over that. We'll dry it off in a minute anyway, but that's still got grease on it. Because this bike's got a sealant of some description on it anyway, I won't go into the details of that because it's a product I've used, and unless you've got paint protection film on it, it's no point bothering with it. It's got basically like a sealant on it. I keep topping it up with other products, and as you can see, the water just runs off of it. And when you get one of these, a Works Leaf Jet, it just blows off the water. Very simple.
The Works Nitro cordless leaf blower is the perfect tool for drying your e-bike quickly and efficiently after a ride or wash. Powered by a high-performance 40-volt battery, it delivers a powerful gust of air, helping to remove water droplets from your e-bike's frame, wheels, and hard-to-reach areas like chain links and gears. This leaf blower offers excellent maneuverability, making it easy to direct airflow precisely where you need it. Its variable speed control allows you to adjust the air force to ensure safe drying without damaging sensitive components like electrical connections or paintwork. Ideal for keeping your e-bike in pristine condition while saving time and effort.
Now I'm just going to dry it off a little bit. It's really, this is like one of those quick, easy washes. Nothing that important, but it's just easier to get off some of the crap. Because I'm taking it to the bike shop and I don't want to take it to the bike shop dirty. And the only reason I'm taking it to the bike shop is because the dropper posts, so it's actually gone further down into here, and for some reason I can't get it apart.
Microfiber can absorb up to 7 times its weight in water, making it highly effective for drying surfaces quickly. The soft fibres are non-abrasive, ensuring they won't scratch delicate surfaces like your e-bike's paint, display screen, or sensors. Unlike some towels, microfiber doesn't leave lint behind, which is particularly important for maintaining the polished appearance of your e-bike. Microfiber's structure traps dirt and dust particles effectively, reducing the risk of scratching or spreading grime while drying, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly option for preserving its components and extending its lifespan.
So that's one of my quick washes. Now the idea is not to get a shed full of water into the motor, and hopefully doing it like this, it was quick and easy. It's not got a lot of water in it, and one thing, these motors will collect water in there. Yeah, looks a lot better. Right, what I'm going to do now is get this down to the bike shop and see if we can get a bit more of adjustment on here. There you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please subscribe and please share. And also, if you want to buy me a coffee, there's a link up here. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!